the pancake was sticking in the wall in the kitchen, and the pancake was falling, and the and don't be scary, don't be scary, don't be scary, don't be scary.
Morning guys! Welcome back sa channel natin. Ilang araw din tayong hindi nakapag-vlog dahil sa kabisihan ng inyong inay. Super busy unpacking stuff and just organizing stuff dito sa bahay guys. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Anyways, it's currently 8 o'clock in the morning now and I am getting Ate Paris' breakfast ready. Tulog pa yung dalawa. Actually, si Baby Celine, maagang-maaga nagising kanina. And then, dito nanood kami ng TV konti. And then, natulog siya ulit. So, nakapaghilamos si mami nyo. Tingnan nyo. Nakapaglagay tayo ng cream. Ba't ang ating buhok ay ewan. Hayaan nyo na. I'm getting this stuff ready now, guys. Kasi, meron tayong appointment at 12 o'clock for Baby Celine's 4-month immunization. So, ang ating Baby Celine ay magsi 6 months na this month. Pero wala pa siyang 4-month na immunization because yun nga, sa pag-move namin dito. Di ba, nag-move kami dito since December. And then, late na dumating yung mga gamit natin. Kailangan kasi yung green book bago ako makapunta doon sa GP para sa kanyang immunization. Sobrang tagal dumating. Tapos, pagdating dito the other day, hinagilap ko pa kasi sobrang daming boxes, diba? So, finally, last night, nahanap ko. So, kaninang umaga agad, tumawag ako. Actually, yung tinawagan ko first is yung malapit dito na, 4.8 stars. Kasi, pagdating sa mga services, especially doctors, guys, tinitingnan ko talaga yung mga reviews nila. Kasi that's very, very important for me, ha? And, tinawagan ko sila yung first option. Sabi nila, hindi, dahil nga sa COVID, hindi nga daw sila nag-accept ng new patients. So, she told me another clinic na nag-accept daw ng bagong patients. And tinawagan ko. And then, yeah, I said, sabi pa nga niya, bukas daw. Pwede. But, sabi ko, is it possible today? Kasi wala kaming ginagawaan. And I really need the immunization now for Baby Celine. Kasi sobrang overdue na. And I feel so bad kasi, it shouldn't be happening. Pero, dahil nga sa moving and also na-late kami. And sabi niya, okay, we could let you in at 12 o'clock, which I'm very happy about. Pero sabi niya, unfortunately, they are like private. So, hindi sila yung nagbo-bulk bill. So, bulk billing means the government pays for it. So, you go in, do your thing, wala kang babayaran. But this one, you have to pay because private sila. But I said, I don't want to call another clinic since they can let me in at 12 o'clock. We'll just we'll do it here. And then, the next time we'll be more organized. But, yeah. Tinawagan ko pala yung doctor. Remember, nung pagdating namin dito, I was having dizziness, yung sabi niya, vertigo. Magaling din yung doctor na yun. We really like him. Also with Paris' skin, siya yung nagbigay ng prescription para sa yung eczema ni Ate Paris. Unfortunately, tinawagan ko sila kanina. Hindi pala siya nag-immunize. So, we just stick to the one that we called earlier. And ito yung breakfast ni Ate Paris today. So, Special K, high fiber, supports a healthy gut. She loves that one. Actually, guys, alam niyo ba, ever since na nangyari yun, I'm very happy with Ate Paris is eating. Nagugutom na siya ngayon, nag-ask na siya for food. And, yeah, she tries different food now. Hindi lang yung stick to sa ano, yung gustong-gusto niyang kainin. So, I will chop some apple. Actually have to do some grocery later. We'll give her some yogurt and then her vitamins. So, this one is the multivitamin and Fussy Eaters. Iron plus vitamin C. And hayaan nyo na guys ha, pagpasensyahan nyo na, tingnan nyo. So, I'm still going through all these boxes. Tapos ko na to siya. Ayan. So, may iba, yan siya, mga rubbish na lang yan siya. And this one, I'm trying to lay out this one kasi gusto kong ilagay sa bedroom. At gusto kong kung anong magandang tingnan ba. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's so girly. Para dapat to siya sa, kung 3 room yung nakuha namin, dapat yung isang room is for me, like all my, kachar-charan. But then, since wala so sa bedroom ko to siya ilalagay. And sabi ni Daddy Mike, you do the bedroom and I'll do the lunchroom. So, itong mga ganito, gusto niyang lagyan ng mga, anong tawag dito, mga frames. So, uy, dilim-dilim. This is what I'm talking about na the green book, My Health, Learning and Development. So, dito nakalagay lahat. Ito ang Biblia ni Baby Celine. Kasi, here, tingnan nyo my immunization record. Dito. Ayan. So, nung 6 to 8, so 6 to 8 weeks pa yung kanyang, immunization. So, the 4 months, diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, hepatitis B, rotavirus, ewan ko paano basahin yan ba. Yan yung kailangan natin gawin. So, poor Baba today. She'll have some needles. Hope she'll be fine. And yeah, one good thing as well is, finally, our internet is working now. So, kahapon pa yan siya nag-work. Very messy pa. Because we tried to set it up yesterday. Tingnan nyo. Ito siya yung NBN box sa Melbourne. And unfortunately, hindi pala to siya hindi to siya mag-work dito sa bagong house. So, they sent us this, like, express, dumating kahapon, tsaka pa siya nag-work. So, kahapon pa kami, kagabi pa kami nagka-internet. Ayan. So, ayan, meron na kaming, YouTube. Parang may naririnig na ako. Wakey, wakey nang, baby. Mama, open the blinds. Psst. Psst, ang Ate Paris natin, oh. Hi, baby. Uy, wakey, wakey naman, uy. Psst. Psst. Good morning. Ate Paris. Mama's gonna open the blinds now. Uy, wakey, wakey na, uy. Late, have a look at the kids na. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Kita nyo ba? Oh, next door. The kids are playing. Auntie Paris, have a look at the kids. Have a look at the kids next door. See? Wow. They're playing. How's your sleep, my love? How was your sleep, my love? Naniba ako dala, nibalik na. Ate! Look!
Still sleepy.
Oh, you're still sleepy? That's what you get when you go to bed late, my love. You still sleepy? Celine! Celine is going to get needles today, honey. Ate! Ate! Celine is going to get needles today.
I don't want to see.
You don't want to see. You don't need to see. You don't need to see. Baba girl, how was your sleep? Hi. Hi. Yes, Ate. Oh, sorry, my love. Hello, princess. Hello. You have to get up na, Ate, my love. Oh, shoot, go by breakfast. Mama made breakfast for you now. How about you? How about you? Oh, Oopsie! 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 How's your teeth going, my love? How's your teeth going? And she's smiling na. Tignan niyo, nakita na niya ang kanyang ate Pares. Ate, uy, mura makagbalbal eh. Like that. Oh, well done, Celine. Oh, it's done. Oh, baby Celine. She'll be fine today, honey. Mama made you breakfast! Yay! Yay! Boo. Boo.
Yudi.
Yudi.
Pretty dog. Why? Why? Since
Are you Peppa Pig? Are you Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig. Who's George?
I'm Peppa.
Celine's George?
Yeah, I'm Peppa.
Okay.
Because she's still a baby.
Okay.
And you, Mommy Pig.
Am I Mommy Pig?
Yeah. That is Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig is so funny.
Is he?
Yeah, cause the pancake was sticking in the wall in the kitchen, and the pancake was falling, and the and the pancake covered his head, and he can't see anything.
Oh, that's a very cool story.
No, that's a really funny one.
Oh, funny story. Funny. Did you find it funny, Celine?
I've seen that before.
Okay. Oh, she's holding your head.
He's a cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle. Come on now, have your breakfast, ate. Yay!
Why?
Yes, straight there. Sit on a table. On the chair, di ay table on. Oh, diba? Straight siya dyan, guys. Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Woo! Nagampo pa rin. Are you praying first? Whoop! Move a little bit. Okay. Breakfast time. I'm just gonna get Celine, okay?
Okay.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When the rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know.
I'm crying. Why are you crying?
I want to play.
You wanna play with the puzzle? We'll play with puzzle when we get home, okay? Baby, show me your outfit, B. Show Tita and Tito your outfit, B. Show me. Yeah. Show me, ba?
Hey,
Say hi, Ma, to my vlog.
good morning everyone. Welcome to Jovi's Vlog.
Lahir sa dak, Mama. Video call kami, guys, before kami alis.
I don't want to go to Celine's doctor.
You don't want to go to Celine's doctor? She has to go now. We have to go.
No.
Come here. See, there's a Lola. It's a Lola. Here's our baby Celine. See, are you ready for today? See?
I love watching TV.
What happened?
I love watching TV.
You don't love watching TV? We will play with your puzzle when we come home, okay? We don't have time, we'll be late. Okay, we're going!
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa labas, guys. We just turn the car on para mag-cool down siya kasi even though hindi siya masyadong mainit today, which is really nice. Kasi nakababad sa araw yung sasakyan. Medyo mainit. Yeah. Oh, it's still a little bit, honey. Maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes is
See, the sun is back again.
Oh.
Yeah? Tignan nyo, guys. She's grown talaga kasi yung dress niya. Hangin na sa kanya. Mini dress na ang kanyang maxi dress before. Nakbe, model your outfit, nakbe? Wow. Inga na dahil basta mag-model, nak? Pa-XX ang imong feel? How about you, CELINE? Oh, my baby. She's gonna have some needles today. You'll be fine, my love. You'll be fine, won't you? Yeah. Because you're a strong girl. What happened to your agtang, nak? Huh? I'm talking to baby CELINE. What happened to your agtang, my love? So here's our street, guys. See? Quiet and clean. There. One, two. Come on up. Say 1, 2.
1, 2, finish.
What are you having, ate?
The chocolate.
That's protein, guys, protein for her. Good girl. So it's good na may dala kaming mga healthy snacks pa kasi pag ginutom siya, oh. Should be fine now, nak? Mama will check. Yes. Oopsie, don't pick it up now. Come on, sweetie. Kapasok na ang ating baby CELINE. Hello! Come on. So put at the terrace in. We can go.
Rabbit.
Keep on.
Where's my sky bag? I left it here.
Oh, okay. So you can carry it now. Come on, sit down.
A few moments later.
Don't be scary. Don't be scary. Don't be scary. Don't be scary. See?
Mm-hmm.
He's like,
So, we're done, guys. Dito na kami sa labas. We're just waiting for the car kasi
Do you
sobrang
just
init.
and look my sticker?
Because you've been a very brave sister to Celine. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Both legs. Both legs. Kita ba? Yeah. She cried for a little bit nung tinusok yung dagong ba.
Celine doesn't like it.
Yeah. She didn't cry, yeah? She's brave like you?
No, he did cry.
She
cried.
cried a little bit. But she didn't carry on. You're a very brave little girl. So we'll find like a chemist kasi bibili kami ng
chemist.
Yeah, bibili kami ng ano kahit baka lagnatin to siya mamaya ba. The next 72 hours daw.
Job, Celine.
Yeah. And she might feel the pain sa kanyang paa. So, yeah, kailangan niya ng paracetamol. Nanak na. Good girl, sweetheart. Careful ate. Main road yan,
I
oh.
think the car is cold.
Listen up.
I think the car is cold.
Okay, good. We're going now?
Yeah.
You have two already, didn't you? Smile, ate. Ate.